Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have a couple of my subscription boxes to unbox for you. I have the Kinder Beauty box and the Look Fantastic UK subscription box to go over. Now I want to start with this Look Fantastic box. I love the pastel like tie-dye look that it has to it, and this is a really nice box. You can keep these and store things in them. This starts at $19 a month, and if you purchase it for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, you do get a discount on your boxes as well, which is what I went ahead and opted for. But I really do like this subscription. It's kind of cool to me to see what kind of stuff they get over there in the UK. And this is the little magazine that comes inside with it. I love her eyeshadow in here. It's totally up my alley. But anyways, yeah, it has like it's a little pamphlet that you get, and it has the items, a little bit description about them in here. And the only thing it doesn't have that I've noticed is prices, but it will have like information about each product in here, which is kind of nice. And if you're interested in looking at prices, you can always just go do that yourself, look them up if you're interested to see how much each individual thing is valued at. I'm usually overall pretty happy with this box. Let's go ahead and see the first thing in here. The box comes like this. It comes neatly wrapped in tissue paper, and we have like little paper confetti inside, so it's like a little gift every time. First thing is from Disciple, and it's What Spots Dot. Okay, so these are pimple stickers, so I'm always happy to get some of these in case I get like my monthly thing, and then I could just slap one of these on there, and there you go. The next thing is a makeup item from Lottie London. This is a Power Foil Metallic Eyeshadow. Okay, I don't think I own anything from this company. I'm not really sure, but let's go ahead. Be careful when you open this product. It is definitely loosely packed in here. It has like a little plate to keep it pressed down, but it is like a loose pigment. It's really pretty though. Let's get a swatch of it to see what it looks like. It looks like gold sparkles. It's so pretty. Okay. I really like the packaging on this. I think it's really nice that they use glass. It just makes it look nicer. Whoa, that's really pretty. Okay, so there is the color swatch. It just really shines. I love it. I feel like I could definitely use this. Next item is a body scrub in watermelon scent from Bubble Tea Bath and Body. Okay, I'm always excited to get some body stuff. I don't normally get stuff like that in my subscription boxes, so it's nice. And I got a Molecular Water Berry Rose from Nux Paris. Okay. And then lastly, this item, honestly, we're going to have to look up in the magazine to see what this is, which is why I'm glad we have that. This is a limited edition Paris Gatineau. I'm not really sure, honestly, it's like a foreign language to me. I cannot read that, but this is Radiance Enhancing Enzymatic Gomic. Let's see what this is, because I've never even heard of anything like this before, so I am curious. If they have any information about it in here, would be great. Okay, what is it? It's a unique balm to oil enzymatic exfoliator with AHAs included, and it reveals a renewed and naturally radiant complexion. Okay, apply generously to dry skin over the face and neck. Massage into a circular motion until the texture liquefies, and leave on for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Okay, so it's like a little treatment mask thing. Cool. So that's everything I got in my Look Fantastic box. I think for me personally, I feel like it's a pretty decent box, especially for what you pay for it. You get a good little mix of everything, and you get to try stuff from another country. So that's kind of cool as well. Okay, up next is my Kinder Beauty box. This is a vegan, cruelty-free beauty subscription that costs $26 a month, and if you purchase it for longer periods of time, you do also get this one for cheaper. But they always come in like eco-friendly packaging, which is cool. It also comes like a gift, and it has a little card with it as well, but it has like the little gift like feel to it. And on the card, it just has the name of the box that you got. I got the Dusk box, and it has the list of products and prices on the back for you here, so you can see the value of everything that you got. The first thing I'm pulling out here is Sunset Ritual Signature Conditioner. Okay, this says it has a $15 value. It says this creamy conditioner infuses strands with hyaluronic and lactic acid for maximum hydration and body and plant botanicals. Provide a natural sunscreen to help your hair during summer fun. That's cool. I have heard that you should have like some kind of sun protection for your hair because it does damage your hair too. So that's kind of cool that this is all in there. I'm wondering if... Okay, so this is not a leave-in conditioner. This is just a regular conditioner. So that's good to know. Next up, it looks like we got something fun, something I'm really excited about. We got some Glamatic Lashes. These are $29.99 value. They're absolutely gorgeous. This is in the Venus. Okay, and then to come with it, but it's also considered a separate item, is their full-size eyeliner, which is valued at $42.99, which is outrageous, but you do get a full size of it. Anyways, it's kind of cool, but I kind of wish that this would be one item instead of each separate thing, as because you could go on their website and purchase them as a set and it'd be like one item, but you can also purchase them separately as well. So I just kind of wish this was one item, but there's two. That's okay though. So there's 3 items out of the box. And then we have a couple more to go over, and this is in some bubble wrap. I have a 103 collection silicone free heat protectant serum. It smooths and seals and protects. This is for your hair and it's valued at $19.99. I like the fogged glass packaging. It's very smooth, very elegant looking. I'm excited to try this out. And then, unfortunately, we only have one more item. If I can get it out of here, I'll show you guys. Okay, cool. This is from Dirty Lamb. This is the apricot cleansing oil. Okay, I think there was a couple different variations this month, but I'm not normally a fan of cleansing oils, but I'm going to give it a go because I do reviews on this channel, and I would like to let everyone know how I think it performs. Normally, I would say cleansing oils would be more like for people with drier skin. I feel like I have more normal skin, but I'll definitely give this a go and let everyone know if it can work for different kinds of skin types because I am curious. Dirty Lamb is a pretty decent company. I do have some serums from them that I do enjoy. So yeah, love to give that a go as well. That's everything I had for my Kinder and Look Fantastic UK subscription box. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.